Hi friends, welcome back to our channel What the Curry. We do have this recipe on our Hindi playlist, but a lot of people have been asking us to do it in English. So this is for all our friends who wants to know our recipe in English. This is our chicken sandwich. Quick and easy chicken sandwich. You can make it two ways, fresh bread or toasted bread. The ingredients are quite simple. So here we begin. We need shredded chicken. There is finely chopped bell pepper, finely chopped red onion, there is cream cheese, fine chopped carrot, these are finely chopped cucumber, some spring onions. You can put eggs if you want to. I haven't done it, but it's optional. And then we have cilantro, or you can also take fresh coriander leaves. There is mayonnaise, any mayonnaise would do. And we have salt and pepper and chili flakes. And then we have this magic ingredient, which is a little bit of sugar. This is quite important. That's it. You don't need anything else. So now we're going to begin. We're going to do it in two portions. The first one is we're going to add all the vegetables that we've chopped. So these are red onions. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of red onion, finely chopped. You can also watch a tip how to cut these onions. I have it in my channel. And then we have finely chopped carrots. This is cucumber. You can actually add a lot of other vegetables that you like. You can also add cabbage if you want to. This is bell pepper, that is capsicum. I have also added some fine chopped green onions. Feel free to add cabbage, olives, sweet corns, but this is the minimum it requires, at least 2 to 3 vegetables. Then I add a little bit of chili flakes, again as per your taste, and it's optional. And then I add a little bit of salt and then a little bit of pepper, again as per your taste. Now I am going to mix all these chopped vegetables and keep it aside. See how stunning the colors is looking? It's beautiful. To make this chicken filling, I highly recommend to do it how I am doing in 2 different bowls. So the second one, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and then this one. This is the one I've used. You can use any cream cheese. Feel free to use any one. If you don't like cream cheese, you can also use hung yogurt. And then I have taken 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to mix them up nicely. And that's why I like to do them separately, because if I'm going to mix it with the vegetables, it gets actually quite mushy and mushy, and you might lose the crunch on it. Once it's all nicely mixed, there is no lumps left, I like to add a little bit of sugar in it. Just a half a teaspoon of sugar would be enough. It's actually a nice tip when you have mayonnaise fillings for sandwiches. Now once it's all mixed, I'm going to start adding all the chopped vegetables that we made it earlier in the other bowl. Put little by little, because we don't want to put everything and then we don't have the enough mayo filling in it. Remember, we're going to add chicken as well into it. If you guys are making vegetarian and non-vegetarian sandwiches, you can actually put this aside and use it for people who like to eat vegetarian sandwiches. And if you want to make egg sandwiches, you can put the eggs right now. I usually grate the boiled eggs, or you can actually mash it as well with a fork, or you can actually fine chop if you want to. Once the filling starts looking like this, that it's all mixed up, this is the time we're going to add the shredded chicken. You can get this shredded chicken from any deli or a grocery store, and I have actually finely chopped it. After this, I'm going to add fresh coriander leaves or cilantro. This actually gives a nice fresh flavor to the filling. Our filling is ready to do the sandwiches now. You can make these sandwiches with any bread, brown bread, white bread. My kids and family like it in the white bread, so I'm going to make it here in the white bread. This step is optional, up to you. I like to put some Maggi hot and sweet chili sauce as one of the spread to begin with. You can obviously put them on the side as well. These sandwiches are super hit for a party or a get together or even for a picnic, and lunch boxes for kids or even for yourself. Next, I'm going to take the chicken filling that we just made and put it on this sandwich. Make sure you put this filling on every corner by corner. Do not leave any side and put it quite generously. Like you can see how I have added. Let's have a look at it again on the other one and put it generously. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make these sandwiches two ways. One, I'm going to grill it, and the other one I'm just going to eat as is, like a fresh bread, not even toasted. Usually when we're going out for picnics, that's how we like it. We eat it in a fresh bread. But if we're eating fresh or straight away, we like to grill them and eat them. Both actually taste very different. You must actually try both of them. We're going to cover up with the other bread like this, and then we're going to just cut it and serve it if we're eating fresh. If you have a griller, please grill it on the griller. It actually tastes better, but I'm going to show it to you how we do it in the pan. So we take the pan, we put the little bit of butter. More the butter, the tastier it is. Actually, it depends. Sometimes you don't need the butter because the filling itself is actually quite tasty. But if you're grilling in the pan, you do need the butter so that you can have that nice crunch and the color for the sandwiches. Because I'm doing it in the pan, make sure you keep pressing it like that so that it doesn't open up when you cut it up. I like to make it a little bit more crunchy. So it's almost ready. I'm just going to flip it over and see how it's looking. Okay, this is perfect. This is how we like it. That's it, guys. Now I'm going to cut it and I'm going to show you how the filling looks. See how stunning the sandwiches is looking? I like to cut them in triangles. If you really want, you can actually cut the sides. I don't recommend it because I think it gives a nice crunch to the sandwich. Make sure you just put the filling to the extreme edge. There you go, chicken sandwich ready. I hope you like this recipe and do like and subscribe to our channel, What the Curry. And if you're going to make this sandwich, please tell us on the comments section whether you like the recipes or do you want us to make recipes like this. There are tons of more recipes that we have been making. So I've made the sandwiches two-way, the fresh one and the grilled one. Keep watching our channel for more recipes like this at What the Curry.